friends. Today we're continuing with fractions. Fractions as division problems. All right, so this is still introduction to fractions, but how are fractions division problems? Okay, we know that a fraction is part of a whole. So a fraction is not a whole number. It's smaller than a whole number. The numerator, which is the top number, okay, tells us how many parts you have. So let's say we have one part. And the denominator tells us, it's the bottom number, the down number, the D, denominator, tells how many parts the whole is divided into. Okay, the denominator tells you out of how many. So we have 1 out of 6. We have 1/6. So if we're to divide one hexagon into 6 pieces, we'll have 1/6. So that it's a division problem, right? And now we'll illuminate that a little bit more. All right. 12 divided by 3. Let's look at that. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 over 3, that's an improper fraction. So we know that a normal fraction is going to have the numerator is smaller. But here, this is not a normal. This is an improper fraction. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Is that smaller than a whole number? No, it's not. So it's an improper fraction, right? Let's look at a fraction. 3 divided by 12. 3, we have 3 pieces out of 12. Okay, so let's say we have a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. We have 12 boxes in our rectangle. And we have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. All right. 3 out of 12 equals what? If we divide 12 by 3, we can do a lot of difficult math, but watch this. I'll show you with a different color. 12, we can divide by 4. We get 3 in each quadrant. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Whoa! Look, 3 divided by 12 is less than 1. Because out of 12, I only have 3. And what does that equal? It equals 1/4. So I just want you guys to think about fractions as division problems. That's all they are. If you have this, if you have 1 and you divide it into 12 pieces and you only have 3 of them, you have 1/4 of the pieces. And so if you think about division problems as fractions or fractions as division, then it'll help you draw them out. Okay? And then you can see the division problem. You can see it. So we'll look at this. One more example. Okay. Fraction as a part of a whole. We have one circle. One circle. Okay? One circle equals 8 out of 8. If we have all 8 pieces out of 8, then you have one circle. So let's say that we only have, let's say we have 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We have 6 pieces out of 8. So if we have 1 pie, we divide it into 8 pieces and we only have 6. We have, again, with our multicolors, let's look at this. We could divide this into quarters again. Okay. How many quarters do we have? 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. We have 3 quarters. If you're dividing a whole number, okay, into pieces, and you only have part of those pieces, then you're going to have less than 1, right? We divided 1 into 8 pieces, 8 out of 8, but we don't have 8 pieces. We only have 6 pieces. So it's less than 1. It's 3/4. What does 3/4 equal in a decimal? If you have 3 quarters, you have 75 cents, right? 0.75, and we have cents. There you go, 3 quarters. This is it. This is, please, if you have any questions, let me know. Happy to help, and hopefully this maybe starts to give you a better understanding of what a fraction is and kind of how you can play with it and manipulate it. So thanks so much. Have a great day.